Okay, so you want to migrate your website from one domain name to another, or from one hosting to another. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I migrated this website you're seeing on the screen from this domain name to another. If that seems like what you're looking for, then make sure you watch to the very end. Give a like to the video if it does help you, and if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Without further ado, let's get right in. Alright, so let's get started. Now this is the website. As you can see, this is the back end of this website. Let's open it in a new tab so that you can see what we have on the website. You see that is a live project. Is a website that's already existing, and I'm going to be moving it from this domain name storelink.com.ng to another domain name. Okay, so this is a classified ad website that is already existing, that is already in use, as you can see. Okay, so we can see that now. All right, so let me show you the other new installation that I just did. That is a new WordPress installation. Of course, if you are moving from one in domain to another one, or from one hosting to another, you must have installed WordPress. So let's see the new installation here in a new tab. So you see is a fresh WordPress installation. As you can see here, there's nothing on this one. Okay, and you can see the domain name is different from what we have there at Storelink. Okay, so this is where we will be moving this website to from where it was before. Okay, so without further delay, let's get right in. So we have to go back to the back end of the old domain or old website, wherever it is. So here, then we need to move down in this place. We need to move down and go to plugins. We need to go to plugins. We're going to be using a plugin. The plugin is called all-in-one WP migration. All-in-one WP migration. So it's already installed on my website here, but for you just have to go to the plugin directory and then you can pick it from there. Once you get there, you just have to search, just do a search for that name. Okay, let me just show you the plugin here from the list of my plugin here. So as you can see, they're all-in-one WP migration, but for you just go to the directory and just search. Once you type all-in-one WP, so you find it there. You have to install and activate, and once you install and activate, then you can continue from this screen where I am right now. Okay, so this is the plugin. Then we go to you see the dashboard for the plugin here. Then you click on export. Click on export. You can see it says export site. Export site. You have to export the site first, and when you're exporting it, when you click on this export to, this place where it says export to, you are going to be presented with different options. You see export to file, to FTP, and so on and so forth. You can export to Google Drive, to Dropbox, and so on. But because I'm just going to use this immediately, so I'm going to export to a file, that is to my computer. Since it's a file, I'm going to download it. It will be exported to my computer, then I'll upload it again immediately. But if it's something you just want to keep a backup of your website for a long time, then you can use maybe Google Drive or any other one. So once you click on it, this is what you have. It will start exporting. You can see the files have been extracted. all the files, the database, the upload, the plugin, the theme, and every other thing is going to be zipped up, and they are going to be extracted into a particular file, a zip file that is going to be stored on your system. So you need to give it time depending on the size of your website, depending on what you do on your website and how heavy the documents, the files on your website is. So depending on that, that's what will determine how long it's going to take. So you just have to be patient and wait for it. So in order not to make this video too bulky, I'm going to be cutting some aspect of this process, like where I have to wait for 10-15 minutes. I only want to delay this. I don't want to join that to this video and make it too long. So I'm going to be cutting some areas like that. So in this case now, I'm going to pause this video, and once the migration starts, then I will continue the video. Okay, so you can see now that the extraction has just been completed, and the size of this file is about 325 MB. So this is what I'm going to download to my computer. Once I click on download now, it will start downloading to my system, and you will now have to wait again, depending on the speed of the internet you are using. So you may have to wait another 10-15 minutes. So like I said earlier, I'm going to pause again, and then I'll return to the video when the downloading has completely been done. Alright, so now that the downloading has completely been done, we have to go back to the back end of the new website where we want to import this this particular website to. So we will still go back to plugin, but this time around, please do not go to the directory to install. The reason is that you'll be needing the paid version of this plugin to do what we want to do now, which is the site migration. You will need the paid version, and I'm sure you don't have it. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video where you can download the paid version for free from my own hand here. So instead of going to the directory, you're just going to click on upload plugin. So you click on upload plugin, and then you upload that plugin that you must have downloaded from the link that I'm going to give in the description. So wherever you downloaded it to, you just go ahead and pick it up from there. So let me look for it here now. So I'm going to look for it here. Okay. Okay, so alright, so once you have it, you just have to install, and then it's successfully installed, you activate. And once you activate, you go back to the dashboard and you click on import. This time around, we have exported, then it's time to import. So we click on import from this new website. Okay, so let's see. We click on import and wait. Okay, then this new page will come up. So we have to click on import folder, or import from. So when we click on import from, then we choose where our file is located. So in case you did your own to your Dropbox or to your Google Drive, so you're going to select wherever you have that data that you have just downloaded. Okay, so meanwhile you may have limitation. Maybe the maximum upload size on your hosting service is maybe 32 MB or 64 or 128. You can contact your hosting or you watch the video. I'm going to drop a link of another video in the description to show you how to increase your maximum upload size. Okay, so once you do that, then you can continue and you click on import from. So import from, once you click on it, it will open the options. You're going to choose the place where you downloaded the file you just downloaded. Go to the location. So in my case, I'm going to go to my download folder, and then I'm going to locate the file I just downloaded. Now I'm going to locate it, and then I'm going to click on it so that it will be imported back to the new website. Alright, sorry, so it seems I'm having a challenge. I can't recognize the name, so let me just open let me show the name so that I know what the beginning letter of the file. Okay, so now that I know what is there, then I can go back to the browser, and then this time around I'll be able to pick directly. So you can just type one or two letters that start the name of the file. Okay, so here is this, and I'm going to click on it, and it will start uploading back to this new website. And this is also going to take another long time, depending on the speed of your internet. Alright, depending on the speed of your internet, and also depending on the size of the file that is to be uploaded. So I'm going to pause again once more, and then I will return to the video once the uploading has been completed. Alright, meanwhile, before the main uploading starts, you're going to get this information that this import is going to erase everything you have on your website. So you just go ahead and grant it. Since it's a new installation, you don't have anything there. This is what you actually want to put on the website. So you're going to click on confirm. That is you're going to give it a permission to continue. So, and once you do that, then the actual import would start, and that wouldn't really take much time. Okay, so now we can see your data has been imported successfully. So that has been successful, and then you can go ahead and then you can close this page. And once you close this, you can now go back and recheck your website. Meanwhile, it's going to log you out. So let's just close and see. Let's close this one and see the next step. Alright, so I'll close it now, then I'll go to visit the website on a new tab. Okay, so you can now see the new domain name that we're using, and you can see exactly what we had on starlink.com.ng is now available on this new domain, and every link on the website will continue to function as they ought to. Alright, so that is it. Meanwhile, once you finish this, make sure you go back to the plugin repository and remove this plugin, delete the plugin. And again, when you first install it, don't try to update it. It's a previous version that was free to use, so if you try to update it, then you might not be able to use it again. Alright, so I believe this video has helped you to successfully migrate your website from one domain or one hosting to another. If it does, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you always be notified. Turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will always send you notification when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.